When you're out on an adventure, staying hydrated is crucial. Ever thought of using nature's own resources? Carry a reusable meal prepping container as a makeshift solar water purifier. It's easy. Just fill it with river or rainwater and let it sit in the sun for 6 hours to kill harmful pathogens. Stuck in the woods without a bottle? Look out for broadleaves. Banana leaves work great. Fold and shape them into a funnel and create a simple water collector. Lastly, try this classic hack. Find a vine or a coconut tree, cut it, and drink from its freshwater stores. These eco-hydration hacks not only keep you refreshed, but keep Mother Earth happy too.